Maybe the reason you still have a job is because your money is unemployed. In Matthew 25, a master gives his servants different amounts of gold called talents. They are tasked with investing that gold for the purpose of increasing their master's wealth. One of them buried the talent out of fear of loss and was fired by his lord. But the other two gave their money a job and doubled the number of talents they were given. As a result, the master turned them into masters, and their lives were changed forever. What if you treated the money God gave you the same way those two servants did? What if you put your money to work? It never needs a break. It never gets sick. It never sleeps. It never gets tired. It never gets unmotivated. It can work harder, faster, and longer than you could ever dream of working. And if you gave it a job, you'd have the potential to become a master as well. One of the best ways to give your money a job is through the U.S. stock market. In fact, it's similar to what the master told that fearful servant he should have done. Give it unto the exchangers, he said. But most people are afraid of the stock market because they think it's a fool's game designed for gamblers. What they don't know is that the financial industry has produced more wealth for more people than any other industry out there, including technology. There's more opportunity than you can even imagine. And the entry costs are very low. If you'd like to take your money out of the unemployment line, like those servants in Matthew 25, then I'd like to invite you to attend the upcoming 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge, where you will learn 4 things you need to do to become a successful stock trader. Learn the one change you could make right now that has consistently outperformed most financial advisors. And learn about a free tool that you can use to reduce risk while you trade stocks. This is not another job to hold. It's not another business to start. It doesn't have to take up all your time. It's what your money will do while you do the things that God called you to do. So if you feel like you're working too hard, maybe it's time to give your money a job. Come learn how in the 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge hosted by me, Dave Huber, and my good friend and veteran stock trader, Blair Nightingale. The challenge is only $97, and we're offering a better than 10x money back guarantee. But virtual spots are limited, so you better act fast because this has the potential to change your life forever.